Do you have questions about integrating AI into your real estate business? Today's session is a special one. It's all about questions and our expert answers. We will be answering your most pressing questions, providing clarity, and sharing expert insights on how AI can be your ally in navigating the competitive real estate landscape. Let's begin with the specifics. Welcome back to this session by autoread.ai. Today is a Q&A session. Today's the day 79 of the 100-day series, and the aim of today's session is to essentially recap the last 20 we have done. We've had two other Q&A sessions, and they've all worked out to be wonderful when it comes to recapping and ensuring that the information that we've shared is retained and we drive the key components and key points home. So without further ado, let's begin. So what is AI platform selection, and why is it crucial for real estate businesses? So the platform selection really is the key aspect of adopting AI within your organization. And it's all about trying to get your organization to be more efficient, run its processes more accurately, and be able to scale in such things as the property valuations, lead generation, customer relationship management, and any market analysis. So AI platform selection is about knowing what the right product is to meet the goals that you have within your business. So the key considerations when selecting an AI tool would be: one, is the tool able to integrate with your existing systems? What's the ease of use like? The learning curve, is it really steep? And does it support data privacy? Now, what type of AI platforms are available? There are many types of AI platforms, but we can create a couple of categories just for the purposes of this question. You have some that you can have and install within your estate or within your property or data center. Then you have others that are within a cloud. Then you can also have a hybrid where it's partially on-prem and partially in the cloud. Generally, most of the AI tools you're likely to install will be cloud-based and will just provide you with a portal for you to connect in and use for your purposes. Can you name some popular AI platforms? Well, all of the cloud providers have some form of AI solution. I know specifically that Azure provides a chatbot as well. I'm not sure about Amazon and Google Cloud, but I'd imagine they all do exactly the same things because they tend to have similar services between themselves. So you've got services hosted by Google Cloud and Amazon or Microsoft Azure. Now, in terms of what you're likely to install within your business as a small or medium-sized real estate firm, you're probably going to be connecting to an AI solution that has a portal and has a user interface that's quite easy to use and user-friendly. So the factors you need to consider when selecting your platform would include the budget, the technical expertise of handling the tool within your organization, any data security needs and compliance, and making sure that the solution adheres to the rules and the regulations and the laws within the jurisdiction where you operate. So how do case studies help? The key thing with case studies is you don't really want to make every single mistake. With case studies, you can see how organizations have deployed AI solutions. They're not always positive responses or positive outcomes, but you want to know what the issues were and how you can mitigate those issues and make sure that you don't fall afoul of what you're hoping to achieve. So it provides you with the insights that you need in order to make a decision. AutoRe is all about helping you select and implement those AI platforms. AutoRe specializes in provide AI solutions within your business, so automations and creation of chatbots and anything that helps bridge that gap between the selection you've made and deploying it within your organization. Transparency is important because it helps build trust with your clients and all the stakeholders, and it allows you to be able to be compliant, because if you want to be a trustworthy organization, one of the sales tax you'd probably take would be, we are compliant with the GDPR, and that builds more trust and confidence in your clients. How can real estate professionals ensure ethical AI development? Well, the key thing is, you don't know how some of these things have been trained, but what you can do is test the results that they produce. And you want to be able to constantly check that the solution adheres to the industry standards, adheres to the regulations, and by performing regular audits, you can see if there is bias or if bias is creeping in, and you can make sure that the accuracy is there. And one thing we push for is a man in the loop or person in the loop. So when you deploy any of these solutions, make sure there is somebody who oversees the final solution or final decision. So what role do regulations play in ethical AI implementation? Now, regulations ensure fairness, they ensure accountability and transparency in AI use. And AI being a new thing to many organizations, and certainly a new paradigm for the end consumer, being adhering to the regulations and understanding these regulations and making sure that your solution adheres to them would build that confidence. But equally, the regulation is not going to be designed for it to be unfair to a certain group. So that's where the fairness and accountability come in. How does AI impact customer relationship management? AI enhances the customer relationship because it's able to automate some key interactions. You're able to personalize communication, and it can provide insights into how your customer behaves. And with that, you're able to categorize your customer and provide them exactly what they need in order to get value from what your business provides. So effective data management is crucial because AI systems rely on large volumes of data to train models and make accurate predictions. So proper data management ensures that the quality is there, the integrity of the data is there, and as a result, the outcome of the predictions or what you're using the AI for would also be of a very, very high quality. So that's the answer to the question on what is the significance of data management in AI platforms. So how can real estate professionals prepare for AI implementation? Well, the key thing is you need to make sure you understand what it is you're trying to get into, understand what your business needs are, assess them, set clear goals, clear objectives, and make sure you know what the AI implementation is designed to fix or designed to help ameliorate. And when you've got all those things in place, so the understanding of your business needs and having your AI tool mapped to as a solution to your business needs, then it's clearer and more obvious to you how you'd be able to judge or assess if the AI solution is actually successful. What are some challenges faced when integrating AI into real estate businesses? Well, the typical challenges would be things like the data privacy concerns, because you are dealing with many customers, and many of these customers are completing very high ticket items. So you want to make sure that when you collect information for anti-money laundering or just making sure that you know your customer, all of that information is really sensitive and has to be private and should not be used to train AI in any form. So data privacy is an issue. That high initial investment costs, that is a concern for a lot of people. And then there's potential for resistance to the change by the staff. So you do have to carry them along as you decide to implement these solutions. How does AI contribute to market analysis in real estate? So AI analyzes vast amounts of data, and based on the analysis, it's able to identify trends, it's able to forecast market movements and provide the insight. So that is one way that AI contributes. There are other areas now with generative AI. The AI can help create your property descriptions or your property listings, or make any post you're making more SEO friendly. So there's a lot that AI is contributing, but the key thing for a lot of people in real estate is being able to find that golden nugget before everyone else, and that's where AI can come in and provide that forecast information that you need. What benefits does AI offer in property valuation? So AI improves the accuracy and efficiency of property and appraisals by analyzing multiple data points again. But the key thing is any prediction it's making is going to be data based. And if it's data backed, then you're able to go back and make sure that that information is accurate and correct. But more importantly, the system would remain the same regardless of the property that's being appraised or the person who's instructed the appraisal. Can AI tools replace real estate agents? Well, not at the moment. I can't see it replacing real estate agents. AI tools are there to assist agents, especially when it comes to automating mundane tasks, picking up the phone, or just answering frequently asked questions. You can get AI or some type of AI solution to complete those tasks for you, which then means you're free to do what you really want to do or to engage new clients. How can AI improve lead generation? Well, AI can analyze data to identify potential clients. But the key thing is it's able to predict who is more likely to buy or sell their property, and then automate the initial contact processes and essentially helps you nurture the client until the transaction completes. What is the future of AI in real estate? Well, the future of AI in real estate looks really promising. The key aspects would consider the advancements in leading to more sophisticated data analysis, improved customer service, and smarter automations. And there are many more tools being created, like tools that can help you make your customer phone calls or schedule appointments and those kind of things. They are in the future and in the short-term future, really. So there's a lot to be expected. How does AI enhance real estate listings? So AI can use natural language processing to ensure that your property listing meets and matches your best performing listing. So you can provide a best performing listing as a sample, as an example, or the model, and then ask the chat GPT or the chatbot or whatever solution you're using to create further listings using that model as the basis. And with that, you can perpetuate the benefits and the rewards of providing copy that's more useful or more understandable to your clients. So the main ethical concerns tend to be around biases and unfairness. So when you ask what are some ethical concerns with AI, it's just bias and unfairness, because the decisions and the choices or predictions it makes are based on the data that it's been trained on, and that data, as we know, isn't perfect. So that's why it's worth spending the extra time to make sure that the data is clean and is usable. How does AI handle contract and document management? Now, AI automates and streamlines contract generation, the document sorting, compliance checks, and this reduces paperwork. So you can set the rules for AI, and AI would make sure that the contract document meets those rules. And if there is anything that isn't quite right, it will flag that the information is not complete or the information is not in the document. So that's where it helps. So it doesn't matter how many pages there are in the document. If the AI tool can accept the entire contract, then it will be able to analyze it and provide the information that you need. What training do real estate professionals need for AI adoption? Well, the training should cover the basics of AI technology. The training should also cover specific applications of AI in your industry, and aspects like data handling, privacy practices, and ethical considerations. They're all important, and it's worthwhile making those 5-6 points the front and center of the training manuals that you are presenting or providing to your employees. How do AI-powered chatbots benefit real estate, benefit businesses? There are so many benefits to having chatbots, from instant responses to your customers, automated appointments, automated viewings, responding to any initial questions from your clients, like acting like as an FAQ or frequently asked question. So it's able to be AI backed as well. So if you have a chatbot, the chatbot that's AI powered means that even if a question is asked that it doesn't know, it's able to be funneled to a large language model to get a better answer for you. So Autori offers ongoing technical support, performance monitoring, model retraining services, and updates to ensure that the AI tools that you do deploy continue to operate effectively, and would help you adapt to the changing market conditions. So our experience comes to bear, and we're able to contribute to your business immediately. So Autori.ai specializes in automation of business growth and chatbot creation, and things like custom GPTs and custom knowledge bases. So we have that experience, and we're able to provide that assistance to you immediately. Now, if you don't know how to start, do reach out to us on Autori.ai, that's our website, or send an email to you@autori.ai and request to be added to the wait list for an AI audit of your business. You can also reach us directly on Autori.ai for Instagram, or Autori.ai on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So do feel free to reach out to us, ask whatever questions, leave a comment in the comment section, let us know what you liked about this session or what you didn't like about this session, and provide us any questions you may have that you'd like answers to. So that'll be it for now. Until next time, keep winning.